Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add money to Google Play Balance. But first, check out our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add some money or balance into your Google Play account, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, the options that you could actually use here actually depends on where you are. Now, depending on what country you are from, the options may be different. Now, first things first, the default way for you to add a balance into your account is typically you can add payment methods or even cash in using cards that you could buy from, let's just say, Walmart or even in Target. So sometimes they would actually sell those cards that you could cash in or buy and cash in into your account. So how do you actually use those? So first things first, you want to go open up Google Play Store here. You want to go and just click on your profile icon that you see at the top right of your screen. And in here, you want to go ahead and choose the option that says payments and subscription. Now, the first option that you could try doing here is you may want to use payment methods. That includes bank accounts or even digital wallets if you have one. So in this case, you want to go and just click on payment methods. And from here, it should give you different options here. Again, depending on where you are, options may vary. So in my case, I have Maya, PayPal, and even Gcash here. So if you want to add a credit card or a debit card here, you can go and click on add credit or debit here and just follow or fill out the necessary information. And once you've done that, you can go and click on continue and save your card so that you could use it later on. Now, like what I said, you could also redeem certain cards that you actually bought online or even bought from malls. So in this case, you want to go and just click on redeem code here, and you just need to provide the code that you got. And basically, you can go and click on redeem, and that should basically add balance or add money to your Google Play account here. So yeah, currently this is the two default ways that you could actually use to add balance into your Google Play account. Now, again, like what I said, there might be other options out there that you could use. Again, depending on where you are, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.